and pet food again. So, we are going to unbox something we got in the post today. And say, look, it's a Candace and pet food. They put your name, yeah. But, what? You excited? But this is from BoCandy. And it is a monthly subscription box for different types of candies and the occasional non-candy snack from around the world. It is run by a guy named Blake, and it's him and one other person that runs this company. Get my tablet to behave. Alright. This is their site. Well, and I will put a link to the site in the description box of this video. Let's see. Like I said, it's a monthly subscription service. However, this one, you can't do it month to month. You can only do it... Oh, wrong button. I thought I had it pulled up, but... Just like my laptop, this tablet's a piece of crap too. It broke the... Well, I didn't. It just... The audio jack part came apart, and now I can't get any sound on it hardly ever. And it's at least $250 to fix. So I've got an expensive piece of junk. Anyway, okay, so the months is 4, 6, and 8. The 4 month is $56. The 6 month is $78. And the 8 month, which says best value, is $96. I don't know if that includes shipping, but I'm looking. Yeah, that it just took me to PayPal when I clicked on it. But it's $56, and that includes shipping. So the $56 is for 4 months. And if you subscribe to it, half with that blanket stinks like your feet. If you subscribe to it, you can get your first month free when you subscribe. And that's pretty much it. It's and when you do subscribe, you're billed each month on the on whatever day you signed up on. So like if you sign up the first of the month, then you'll be billed on the first of the month when your renewal's up for the after whatever month plan you sign up for. So I got a picture of my babies on my tablet. And I made that design, didn't I? Look, I'm opening it. Come on. Alright then. He's pouting. Alright. This is BoCandy, and I've already opened the tape. I had to get a picture of it. And I'm going to take pictures of it along the way as I share it. Because this is my first box with them. And when I blog, I want to have nice, pretty pictures before I rip everything open. Anyway, that's what it looks like. So, tear into it. Ooh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to handle this one. Mini Takis, Fuego, hot chili pepper and lime tortilla chips. They look amazing and they sound amazing. Thank goodness I got some Wawa in here. I'm gonna unbox everything and then I'll come back and try them and let you guys know what it's like. Next we got Los Gran Sandias watermelon gummy candy. These look good, and they're actually look like little watermelons. I don't know if these boxes are themed, monthly themed, but I mean so far we got 2 Hispanic products, so maybe. Well, maybe not. I just called myself on being stupid. Get out of there! You can't eat those. Morinaga candy. I guess it's Japanese candy. I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh no, but that little bottle container is really cute. Let's see. Nice little bar. Nestle Mirage. Real bubbly milk chocolate. I think these are from the UK. So I think I've seen these before at the little British grocery market I go to every now and then. Alright. And the rest is a bunch of little hard candies. Let's see. There's 3 of these. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like these. Milkita. Milkshake candy strawberry flavor. I love anything strawberry flavor. There's 3 of those. Oh, no, there's 4 of those. Got these little red things all over me. There's 3, 4, 5 of these. Rodemacher Hoopjes. They're from Holland. I don't know what they are, but I will find out. Let's see. Alright, so I got a handful of these little, about 4 or 5 of these little red things. Don't know what that is. This says Napoleon, and it's different from those. I think it'll. And there's not a card in here that tells you what's in the box. And here's some more of these Napoleons, and these are yellow. I'm assuming that one's either going to be sun or strawberry or cherry, because these are yellow ones, and I'm guessing they're lemon and they're probably sour. So that's it except for these. So ooh, give me a second. I'm going to insert these back out, and we will open up and try them. That took longer than expected. My neighbor called to tell me that, because since I don't have tele service anymore, she called to tell me that we have tornado weather coming in tonight. So I'm gonna be having anxiety attacks all night. I hate storms, and tornado weather freaks me out, especially since this coming June, will be 2 years since my neighborhood got hit by a tornado. A tree almost fell on my house where me and the dogs were taking cover, so yeah, I'm not a happy camper right now. I'm freaking out. Come on in, come on. Oh, my nose itches. Alright, so we are going to try these Mini Tuckies Fuego hot chili pepper and lime tortilla chips. They just look painful. Hopefully they're not. Oh, my nose is itchy. Oh. Hopefully they're not too bad. But luckily I got some Wawa in here if I need a drink. They smell good. Ooh, they look really hot. I'm so scared. It's already burning my tongue a little bit. Those are so good. Oh, they're so hot. Oh, they're hot. But they're really good. Ah, my tongue is on fire. I'm glad I don't have my barbell on my tongue. Oh, those are excellent. I like those. I will eat them anyway because I like living on the edge like that. So now I'll try the Las Gran I thought it said Sandreas earlier. Sandias watermelon gummy candy. Oh, and the other thing I forgot about this snack box, it says on there, don't order if you have any kind of food allergies. I mean, because these are products that come from different places in the world, so you might not know what's in them if you have like nut allergies or something like that. Can't really smell them, but like a little watermelon wedge. Oh, my nose is itchy to death. Hard to chew, and I've got very soft teeth. Those are really good. I like those. It's got the little bit of my nose ring is just so itchy. I don't know why my camera's jerking home. Alright, camera officially ticking me off. Alright, so it's the Mirage bar. It's by Nestle, and I removed the import label off the back, and it said some of it's in French, so I guess we know where that came from. Well, if I can get it open. Alright, so what it looks like. It's exactly how I thought it was going to be. It's like the Aero bars from the UK and England with the little spongy look inside. Very soft. And it's good chocolate. I don't care if I am American. American made chocolate is rubbish. I don't like the taste or the texture. It's American chocolate. It's really grainy and it's got like a greasy, waxy taste and aftertaste, and I don't like it. I like the UK chocolate better. It's better quality. So that's good. Alright, I took the little import label off this as well. I don't know what these are, other than it says candy on it. But you can see the little bottle, the characters on the bottle a little better. And it's so cute. Got these little indentations in the bottle. It's so adorable. I don't want to take it off. Switchblade out. Stop cutting myself. Maybe. Okay. Well, almost there. Say, what the frack? I'm not good with sharp things. Just one little piece. Really? Come on. Alright. These are so cute. Well, I thought they were going to be mints. And they don't smell like a mint. It's like a little pill. Really soft when you chew them up. They remind me of kind of like those sweet tarts. I think they're sweet tarts. Almost kind of like they also kind of remind me of the those candy necklaces. But it's not as hard, and it's more sweet than sour. But this is so good. I like this. And I love this little bottle. They're kind of like a combination of like cherry and lemon flavor. That sounds weird, but it's kind of what it tastes like. I like those. Alright. And when I was moving my videos earlier, when my neighbor called, I was looking at these little candies from Holland. And right below the crown, it says Koffie, so I'm assuming that means coffee. And here's the paper. And if it's chocolate or coffee flavor, stuff like that, I like, because I like coffee flavor stuff. I thought it was going to be a soft chew, but it kind of has this outer layer, a very thin outer layer that reminds me of like the texture of a Tootsie Roll, but right away it dissolves off, and it's a hard candy underneath, and it's like a chocolate mocha flavor, but the coffee flavor isn't really very strong. It's unique, definitely unique, but I like that. I'm not a fan of hard candies, but I really, really like that. Whoops! I want to break my Star Trek coaster. Alright. I'm dying to try this Milkita milkshake candy. Strawberry flavored. God, that smells so good. I love strawberry. Wow. It's really good too. It's kind of hard, but like the candy from Holland, it's hard, but it's got a soft outer layer, but it's still staying on there. I think it's I don't know, kind of like a chew. These say from Indonesia. Oh, that's so good. I have to finish it later. That is yummy! Damn, I'm going to break my Star Trek coaster. It's all wet from the ice melting from my water. Alright. Try that again. Oh, my eyes are itchy, Bobby. Alright, try this Napoleon, the red one. I'm not coordinated. Another reason why I hate hard candy, can't open them. Alright, doesn't smell like cinnamon. It's a little pink ball. And it's cherry. It's cherry, and I don't like cherry candy or cherry flavored stuff aside from I love cherry Coke or cherry Pepsi. But that was good. My nose ring. And this is the yellow Napoleon. So like I said, I am betting that it is lemon. Smells like lemon. And it is. It's not too sour though. Now my hands are a little sticky. So the last thing is this one that's got no label. I don't know why I paused that. Anyway. Yeah, I won't be trying this one. That's one of my greatest fears, right there in a box of candy. Black licorice. Hell to the nah. If I even taste that, I'm just gonna absolutely lose it. Sometimes all it takes is somebody to say black licorice and I start dry heaving to the point where eventually I'm gonna throw up. So I won't be doing that one. But aside from the licorice, everything else was really good. Um, I forgot to let's see. It's an interesting box. I like I like all the different little things that I tried. It was really good. But if you do the math, if you do well, it's like that with any subscription box. The more months you sign up for, you're gonna get a better deal. But if you do the oh, it's freezing. Hold on again. If you if you do the 4-month box, which is $56, that breaks down to $14 shipped. That includes shipping. But still, I don't I don't know that this would be worth $14, or for me to put out a big chunk of $56 at once. I I couldn't afford to do that. I think it's a little much personally for me. I mean, I like this stuff, um, but I couldn't afford to do it for that much. Maybe if they had a once a month where you can sign up once a month every now and then if you wanted to, maybe. But um, I know a lot of these because I get a lot of the candies like the watermelon candies, and I'd say most of these items are a couple of dollars a piece of it, even in the ethnic markets here in Atlanta because we have a lot of them. Um, I said this I know I've seen before in different health food stores that get imports from the UK. You have the Hispanic markets we go in there, and I've seen stuff like this, and they're you know about average price, maybe a little bit more than what we have here in America. For our American snacks, but I don't know that I would put $56 out all at once like that. I think it would be better if they did they offered maybe the month to month renewal as well, so that you could try it when you could, if you had the extra money or whatever. But I couldn't do it for $56 a month. I like the box, but not that much. But I do like everything in it except for the licorice. I just can't do licorice. Um, this is the first candy box that I've tried. There are some others I want to try. There's a couple world ones and I can't remember the names of them. I have them um listed somewhere, but you also have the different Japanese snack boxes, and they include a whole lot of stuff in there that I think is really worth the money. So I might eventually try some of them, like was it Japan crate? There's a couple more that I want to try as well. But this was a decent box. I mean, I like the stuff in it. So I don't know. I'll put the link for BoCandy in my description box below if you want to check them out. It might be worth trying for some of y'all. I just know I couldn't, but check them out. You might like it. So that's it for this unboxing. We should have more boxes rolling in any day now. So we'll be back to do another unboxing here very soon. Say bye, Bobby. Say bye. Peace out, guys. I turned the flash off to see if that would help any better. But it doesn't seem to want to. But that's weird. Ooh! Oh my god! Oh my god! It is so sour! So the outside the outside of this is like this really sweet cherry candy. But it's got this it's got this foaming center. It's like so super sour. I liked it, and look, I think it's done oozing out now, but that was really crazy. That's not half bad, it's just so... It's so sour. Well, that was definitely interesting. Wasn't expecting that. Look at it, it's so sour. And I did try, again, I finished the... Oh, this ain't my nose ring. I finished the... So I'm eating the little red Napoleon candy from the BoCandy box, and it's kind of hard to see, but there's a stuff, like, if I can zoom my camera, there's like this stuff. Oh, I'm about to drop it. And it's all sticky. But there's like this white stuff inside. And it's like bubbling and fizzing out. Oh, not coordinated today. I'm using my phone. But I finished the strawberry milkshake Milkita candy. Sorry, I'm talking funny. I got that candy in my mouth. This kind of like chewed up, kind of like a taffy, but it didn't like have a taffy texture per se. It wasn't a hard candy, but it wasn't a chew either. But it was amazing. I liked it. And let's get these little coffee candies from Holland, from Rademacher. These are really, really good. I really like these. Let's see if I can get some of those. Oh my god. This thing is so sour. Yeah, I can see a hole all the way through that to the other side. And so the center of this candy just has some kind of fizzy stuff in it. It's almost like carbonation from a drink or something. And I can see the fizz inside. And it's so incredibly sour. That will lock your freaking jaw. And earlier I was sitting here eating these Japanese candies. They were about to hear, so I've eaten a few, and they were so good. I called them sweet tarts earlier, but I think I just can't think if it's like sweet tarts or Smarties or one of those. Almost kind of like Pez too. Kind of reminds me of that texture. These are so good. This was the little label on them. I love that. Anyway, I just came back to share the fizziness of that candy because that was really crazy. But that's it. Peace out.